When kids are assigned to in-school intervention, they do have to have some responsibility of doing schoolwork. It is school. You never want to take educational opportunities away from kids as a result of something like consequences. Do they have the responsibility to do all their missed work? No. If they have 6 months worth of work they haven't done, or 2 weeks worth of work they haven't done because they've been struggling, I don't want you to come into me with a whole barrel full of work and say, you know what, this kid needs to get this done at the time that they're there. That's not realistic. They do have the responsibility to get some schoolwork done. That's what school's all about. Remember, it's not about compliance. It's about if you're able to get some work done, then you're regulated enough and you're taking care of what you need to take care of. And that's my goal. A reasonable expectation is to do X, Y, and Z, which shows me regulation, and you're in charge of your own behavior. That's the purpose behind completing work.